It makes a big difference to me because I can always ring her or put a code to care on when I need it.
I'd have to go in at home if Kerry wasn't here for me. I'd have to go in at home. I'm blind. I'm 80. I forget how old I am. 98. I've been here, I think, about 18 years. And my eyes have gone worse and worse. I can't get about without Kerry. I can't do anything without Kerry.
Sian is absolutely fantastic at what she does. In fact, I've had a few ILCs, but out of all of them, Sian is the one. That's how important Sian is to all of us, not just me, to all of us.
Well, she's a guardian angel, yes. And I must say, you're all guardian angels, because I fell, you see, one night, and I was on the floor for an hour. My husband had gone to bed, so I fought really hard. And I think Alison is wonderful, and I think Neris is wonderful as well. And anything that goes wrong with the house, I said, they see to it straight away.
And my ILC is a wonderful person. She's always there when you need her. She calls every Wednesday and she's like a ray of sunshine walking through your door. Smile and big hello. No matter how down you feel, you brighten up and you see Anne in the morning. She helps you with your repairs, she gets in touch with people and the services.
And it's just reassurance that you're not isolated and you lose this feeling of living alone. You know you've got some contact and some help if you need it.